Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll walk you through how to change your phone number in WhatsApp without losing your chats. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. On Android, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. On iPhone, just go straight to Settings. At the bottom inside Settings, tap on Account. Here you'll see the option called Change Number. Tap on it and then hit Next. On the next screen, WhatsApp will ask you to enter both your old phone number and your new one. Make sure you type in the numbers with the correct country code. After that, tap Next again. WhatsApp will then ask if you'd like to notify your contacts about the number change. You can choose whether to notify all contacts, only people you've chatted with, or just specific contacts. Pick whichever option works best for you. Now, WhatsApp will send a verification code to your new number. Enter that code, and once it's confirmed, your account will be transferred. All of your existing chats, groups, and media will stay exactly the same. Nothing gets deleted. And that's it. You've successfully updated your WhatsApp phone number without losing any of your data. For more tips and tutorials just like this one, make sure to check back again.